Welcome to Cadet Art. In today's video, we're going to be working on the miniature infinity. I call them a mini fin. It's called Ocean Arch. This is the painting, okay? And this is the photograph that inspired it. We're going to be working on the arch right here, and probably some of the sky, and probably a little bit of everything. So I hope you enjoy the video. I felt the arch was a little thin, so I'm adding just a little bit of meat to it. I'm using a round number 1 to fill in some of the dark highlights to create the rough surface of the rock formation. This rock formation is very interesting. It has a multitude of colors to play around with. As I understand, it's a very popular destination in Portugal. That's the magic of painting. You can go anywhere in the world. I'm adding back some of the beach where the water is washing up. I will also wash over it with a light aqua. The combination of the beach color, the aqua, and the white foam will give it that look of the water rushing up on the beach. My interpretation of the inspiration photograph will not match it exactly. That's the real cool thing about painting, is you can make it whatever you want. And I've said that over and over in many of my videos. I was compelled to fix this area because it's hanging just a little bit too low. This is why I call this an infinity wrap, or in this case a mini fin, because the painting continues right around the frame. This is my own style that I created, and I do a lot of my paintings in this style. This is a beechwood canvas board turned backwards to create the frame. Be creative, use your imagination. A painting does not have to be on a cloth canvas. It can be on any surface. One thing I've noticed when I paint on wood, it seems to take a little bit more paint and sometimes a little more effort because it has a tendency to look flat. My guess here is because wood is not as flexible and not as porous as a cloth canvas. I'm adding in the tiny little white lines that you would see as water comes up on a beach as it starts rolling backwards. This helps give it that look of water coming up on the beach or rolling back. I'm using a filbert number 1 here to add in these fine lines. If you enjoy watching me progress on my painting projects, or get value out of the information I share in my videos, please be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. It is all free, and it really helps my channel grow. And oh, don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. I've been staring at the clouds on this painting for a long time. I didn't feel they were fluffy enough. We're going to be working basically on the arch. Sorry, we're going to be... Let's try that again. Hello again. Welcome to Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. It's very much appreciated. If you would like to purchase any of my work or order a custom piece, please visit my shop, Cadet Art, on Etsy.com. Thank you so much.